Hey, how's it going? This is Michael Cruz, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make second income from the comfort of your home. So stay tuned. Alright, so there are actually three things you need to make second income, right? The first thing you need is pretty much a product. So you need a product, product to offer. You need something to offer, something of value, right? This is how you're going to make second income, okay? The second thing you need is a system. So the second thing you're going to need is actually a system that's actually going to help you automate, the income earning potential, right? So you're going to have a system that's going to do 90% of all the work that you're going to do to make, to make an income from the comfort of your home. Okay. Then number three, you're going to need, I'm going to say, learn how to drive traffic. All right. So there you have it. Those are actually the three things you need. So you need a product, right? A product or service to offer, right, online. Then you're going to need a system in place, that's the second thing. And then you're going to need to learn how to drive traffic. So what is traffic? Traffic is simply visitors, people on the internet searching for different solutions to the problem. So if somebody's looking to, for example, lose weight, right, then you're gonna need a product that's actually gonna solve that person's problem, which is, lose weight. If somebody's looking to learn how to train a dog, then you're gonna need a product that's gonna show that person how to train a dog. So are you with me so far? Now, the hardest thing with this is that if you're starting out, you might not even have any of these, things in place. I know when I started, I did not have any of these things in place. So what did I do? I actually was searching online for a way that I can make money online. I learned these three things, and I found a program or a company that already has all these three things in place. It was already done for me. So what you want to do, you want to find a program or a company that already has all of these three things already done for you. That way you don't have to waste time or money, building this thing up yourself. So you're going to need a product, done for you product. You're going to need a system. The system is going to do the telling and selling on your behalf, and this is what gives you freedom, right? This could turn your business into, into passive income, because the system is what's going to automate, this process, right? It's going to automate this process for you. So all you have to do is learn how to drive traffic, learn how to drive visitors, people that are already searching for what you're offering, onto the system, right? So that's basically, this is all you need to make second income from the comfort of your home. And that's all what you really need. So if you ever wonder what is my number one recommended way or program that already has all of those three stuff done for you, go ahead and click the link below this video and check that video out, check that training out, get access to it. And that's actually my number one recommendation if you want to make a second income from the comfort of your home, which is what I'm doing to actually make an income from the comfort of my home. So now I'm giving you the gift of making that happen yourself. So you're ready for change. You're only one step ahead of getting there, and that way you can just make second income just like how I do it from the comfort of my home. So you can do it as well from the comfort of your home. So if you got value from this video, if you learned something today, go ahead and leave me the comments, like the video, and subscribe to this channel if this is the first time. Other than that, go ahead and click that link below this video and get access to that training, which is going to show you exactly what I use to make income from the comfort of my home using the internet and a laptop. Anyways, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.